little pull.
Yo, what's up guys? It's Ryan here coming at you with another YouTube video. Today is actually going to be a very special video because I'm going to be working with GTA Exotics. They're an exotic car rental company out of Hamilton, Ontario. And in exchange for me doing photography services for their track days coming up this weekend, they're actually going to let me drive one of their supercars all the way to Bowmanville, and then on Sunday I'm going to be driving it back. So that should provide some great content for you guys. It's super early in the morning right now. It's currently like 4 a.m. I think. I'll probably do a little POV shot on the drive there. Other than that, we're currently just grabbing some food right now. I'll probably catch you guys when we get to their house. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right guys, we just showed up. I'm not even sure if you can really see what's going on, but this place is an absolute mansion. I'm gonna hop out of the car now and go meet up with the guys, and then I'll probably catch up with you again once we start driving. Okay, so we're currently en route now. I got stuck with the GTR, unfortunately. I know it sucks. We'll definitely take a GTR any day of the week. Okay, right now we're just cruising. I think it's supposed to be like a 2.5-hour drive. So we still got a little ways ahead of us so I can get some POV of while I'm driving. But other than that, it's just a cruise to the track. Pulled up to Mosport. Yo, what's up guys? I haven't talked to the camera in a while. It's been pretty go since I got here. Just been taking lots of pictures. Basically, this is my setup right now. And my job is, if they radio in on the walkie-talkie here and let me know that someone's purchased a photo package, they'll give me the car name and color, and I'll go and I'll take some flyby photos as they're going. I don't know, we're like 4 hours into today and no one's bought a photo package yet. So basically, I've just been running around taking whatever photos I want, kind of free roam. Lots of detail shots. A few panning rollers, but I mean, other than that, just hanging out in the sun, taking photos. As far as the photos I've taken so far, I'm probably gonna show you guys a few of those on the screen right now. I don't know if there's gonna be much more action. Like, my job is literally just to sit here, so it's not super vlog worthy, but at least I'm getting some stuff for my portfolio. But yeah, back to the pictures. We're about to film a rolling shot with all the cars squatted up. This looks insane right now. This is gonna be crazy. What's up guys? I'm currently driving a McLaren 570S, 2 hours home. This has been one of the sickest days of my entire life. Drove like 5 different supercars. I can't wait to get home and edit some of these pictures. Yeah, just got a fairly long drive ahead of us. I can already tell just how rough this is gonna be on my back. This seat is rock hard and I can't recline it whatsoever, but you know what? It's worth it. This thing is decked out with orange inserts, orange accents, completely orange on the outside. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, coming back to you like half an hour outside of where we need to be. I'm still whipping like lunatic in this car because it's fun as hell. Actually, another pull I lied.